Okay, this is gonna be a video of this hummingbird in a tree. Let's try to zoom in. It's got a nest actually. There's the nest. Those are just some neighbor's dogs barking at something. But there's a nest, and you can see the bird right there. It's a hummingbird. When I look at it without the camera, where'd it go? It's probably like I don't know, 2 inches long, something like that. But I'm blowing this up. This is like at 10 speed. Blowing it up. Neighborhood assholes on skateboards. Alright, let's go around and see if I can get a better view. Where'd he go? See the nest? Pretty cool looking little nest. He must have made it like a week or so. Or 2 weeks, I think. I kept seeing him. Then I noticed the nest was here. So I'm gonna come back and go around from another view. It's hard to spot right here. Let's see. Can't find it yet. Okay. There. Should be right somewhere around here. Right down. Yeah. Well, this is probably not a good view. So, go back around. There's a good view right there. Right there. That's a 9-speed zoom. See his beak. That's at, I don't know what speed, 14 speed zoom. See his beak. When he flies away, I'm gonna try to get a look at the hummingbird eggs. Where'd it go? Again, that's the nest. That nest, when I look at it, it's probably like 1.5 inches tall. Probably like 1.5 inches long. So anyway, back up some. Can't find him again. Anyway. Okay, I gotta come off the zoom. Go back. Yeah. 26 speed zoom. Let me come down. It's 13 speed zoom right there. Anyway, alright, end the video.